Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. How's life today? I hope all of you are in a good condition. Okay, today I'm Ulfia Dayana from TBI-B class would like to analyze a sentence that consists of lexical categories, phrasal categories, and also tree diagram. Okay, here I have prepared 5 sentences that consist of lexical categories, phrasal categories, and also tree diagram. But before that, I will explain the definition of each materials. For the first is tree diagram. Tree diagram is a tool of describing the properties of a structure hierarchical in graphical form. And then lexical categories is identifying the word classes of affixation that stuck to that word. While phrasal categories, it is identifying the word classes by looking at the word that precede or follow them. Okay, let's start. Let's begin to analyze. For the first is I will analyze by lexical categories and also phrasal categories. And then for the first sentence is the students are reading text. In here I analyze by lexical categories. For the first step is morphological frame. In here I choose students. Why I choose students? Because students is followed by affixation, exactly suffix. And then students I divided into 2 parts. For the first is student and also the second is the suffix. The suffix is s and then it's called by noun maker. And then for the second, I will analyze by syntactic frame. The syntactic frame is identifying the class of the word classes by looking at the word that follow them. Okay, the is article, students is noun, are is auxiliary, and reading is verb. Okay, for the second word is I choose reading. Reading is followed by ing. It is suffix, and then I divided into 2 parts also. For the first is read, and the second is ing. Ing is called by verb maker. And then for the syntactic frame is the is included is called article, students is noun, are is auxiliary, reading is verb, and then text is noun. And then for the next is phrasal categories. And then in this sentence I found noun phrase. Noun phrase is consists of determiner and then noun. Determiner is the, it's included as modifier, and then noun is a student and it's included into the head. Okay, let's continue to the next number. Here I found responses. Firstly, I will analyze by morphological frame and I divide it into 2. For the first is respond is included, it's included into verb, and then es is the verb maker. And then the syntactic frame is the for article, student for noun, and responses for verb. And then for the phrasal categories, I found noun phrase, it's included into determinant and also noun. Determiner is the, and then the noun is materials, and the materials is the head. Let's continue to the next sentence. The result of the student has done by Hamid. Firstly, morphological frame. I choose the result because it is followed by suffix. So I divide it into two. For the first is result, and the second is suffix s. Suffix s is called by noun maker. And then next is syntactic frame. The is article, result is noun, of the study is noun. Okay, let's continue to analyze the phrasal categories. Here I found 3 phrasal categories. First is noun phrase. It is included into determine. It is for the, and then noun is it is for results. And here is the head. And for the second phrasal categories is the study. The is determiner, study is noun. And then for the third is adjective phrase. Adjective phrase is divided into two. First is determiner, it is has. And then the second is adjective. Adjective, it is done. Okay, let's continue to the next sentence. It is the lecturer leads the student to read. Firstly, the sentence divided into two parts. For the first is noun phrase and the second is verb phrase. Noun phrase consists of determiner and also noun. Determiner is the noun is lecturer, while the verb phrase it is consists of verb. Verb is it is lead, and then it is there is also noun phrase and preposition phrase. Noun phrase consists of determiner and also noun. The determiner it is the, while the noun it is student. While preposition phrase it is divided into two parts. For the first is preposition. Preposition it is to. And then as usual for phrase divided into two also, it is verb and then noun phrase. The verb is read, and then the noun phrase is divided into two, determiner and the noun. The determiner is it is the, and then the noun is the text. Okay, let's continue to the last sentence. It is the students participate in the study. Firstly, the sentence divided into two parts as usual, noun phrase and also verb phrase. Noun phrase is consists of determiner and also noun. The determiner is the, while the noun is the students. And then verb phrase I divided into two parts. For first is the verb. Verb is the participate, and then preposition phrase I divided into two. For the first part is the preposition. It is in, and then the noun phrase I divided into two parts also, determiner and noun. The determiner is the, and then and it is the study. Okay, I think that's all from analyzing lexical, phrasal categories, and tree diagram. I do apologize if I have any mistake. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you everyone!